Another episode of Houston's Home Automation. This is a show where I show you guys how to build a budget-focused smart home. So here I have the KWIKSET Z-Wave handle lock. And what I wanted to show you guys today was how to do the Z-Wave exclusion, because I didn't see a lot of information about it on YouTube. So we're going to do this using the Samsung SmartThings hub and its whole app and platform. So what you want to do is you want to go into your hub, and from here you want to click the three dots at the top here. Once you do that, you want to go to Settings, and you want to go to Z-Wave Utilities. Now once you go to Z-Wave Utilities, there's a button called Z-Wave Exclusion. You want to hit that, and it says to delete the Z-Wave device, follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now, to add and delete a Z-Wave device on this KWIKSET lock, what you want to do is just hit that button once on the left. Once you do that, one device has been deleted, and it's just as easy as that. Now, of course, to add a device, all you're doing is just clicking the plus sign in the top right corner, hit your add device, and you can just do scan nearby because it'll pick it up because the Z-Wave is one of the easiest ones to pick up. So I'll use the hub that has the Z-Wave Plus logo. Just a special note, the SmartThings station does not have a Z-Wave hub, so you can't use that one, but you'll use the hub, the regular old V3 SmartThings hub. You're going to hit next, and then it should find it automatically. Oh, I'm sorry, you have to push the Z-Wave button once it's finding it. So I'll push the button, see the lights come on, and it should pick it right up. So it just caught it. So this is just saying that some of the security features are not supported since I didn't install it the right way, but this is just the default way to install a Z-Wave lock. So from here, you can edit, say what you make it whatever you want it to say, and I'll keep it with that because it's just a demo. So we'll save it, and we'll just give it a quick check. And real quick, we'll just test it to make sure it's working correctly. Good to go. Okay. So that is how to add or remove any Z-Wave KWIKSET lock from your SmartThings platform. Thanks so much. I've been Patrick Houston from Houston's Home Automation. Feel free to comment down below. I will answer any questions within a day's time. Take care. Be safe, guys.